Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to limit voice chat up to 2 users only in Discord. So first, let us make a voice channel right here, and just click on the plus sign button, create channel, click on voice. Let's name this duo only, so for 2 persons only. So with that, just click on create. So as you can see, the voice channel has been created, and if you want to edit it so that the only 2 persons can go in, just click on edit channel right here with the settings icon there. And as you can see, when you scroll down, there will be a user limit section here, and if you put it to the leftmost side, it will say no limit, and if you put it here on the rightmost side, it can go up to 99 users. And if you wanted to set it to 2 persons only, 2 users, you could just go there up to 2 users and just click on save changes, and you are done, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.